Alkaline are the first dancehall artist to sell out an arena from the year start.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I don't know. One Media Fox man up, you know. Yeah, man, you know what thing said. Yeah, man, people, you don't know. I have to big up one album, is it? Big up yourself. You don't know. Data move. You see me? So, respect for all who support the movement. You don't know the things said, people, but we are going every day and make a year where one album just say. You see it? Yeah, man.
Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is feeling blessed. So viewers, in dancehall, silent can be louder than nice. And right now, that may be exactly what Alkaline is doing, viewers. So we see where Alkaline released him album from the year start. He was the first dancehall artist to do that. You understand? Also, Alkaline the first dancehall artist to sell out an arena from the year start. You understand? So we see the artists are do good, right? So we see him drop the video for the hit song Girl Good, and it a go on good. You understand, viewers? So the artist has been doing his thing, you know, quietly as usual, and we can see the work I put in. You understand? So yeah. And we know Alkaline and like some of the artists where they out there fight for attention, you understand? Every week in the media try to look like, you know, a viral moment or some kind of spotlight or some talk about. You understand?
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. A real thing I go on. Because, you see, I realize with the dancehall, some of them run down the hype. You understand? And that kill them career after a while. You see me? Running down a hype that not really care going away. Is it? If you check the superstar, them overseas, the superstar artists, them not run down a bag of hype. Them life private. You see me? Them, you not hear nothing from them until when them forward back in their spaces, a big impact. You understand? So, yes, enough of them dancehall artists, yeah. They want to be seen. They want in the spotlight every time. But if you just understand, say on every day of Christmas, you see me? So it no matter if you're in the spotlight or not, you just want to know you put on music where you can hit the people them. You see me? And not just that, is it. But you know, Alkaline got to work. I have a couple show forward up. And anytime him touch out a madness.
Alkaline just quietly are doing thing. But despite all that silent viewers, Alkaline has been one of the most discussed names in a dancehall. You understand, viewers? And that's the interesting part, right? Because normally in dancehall, if an artist slows down publicity, people would assume they are losing momentum, right? But with Alkaline, the opposite often happens. The less visible he becomes, the more people begin watching for his next exact move. So viewers, we know the first few months of the year is extremely important, right? This period usually determines who enters summer with a momentum and who gets left behind, viewers, right? So we know say artists usually spend these months trying to build anticipation, you know, release songs. You understand, viewers? And we see where Alkaline, you know, him drop him new album, right? Him have the Miami show forward up. We know say he did Brooklyn, you understand? Him have the Miami show forward up. And him have Philly, see him we in a June, you understand? So him have him song we are going to rotate Girl Good, and plus other songs are for the album we are going good seeing with viewers. So it's a good look for the DJ, you understand? One of the things Alkaline mastered in his career, you know, viewers, is the power of silence, you know, and a lot of people they don't really understand how Alkaline craft that, you know. You understand?
Well, them not gonna understand no, because them mostly look for the hype and the attention. You see me? Them not really made the music, because enough of them, you know, them just release songs for the hype. You see me? Them say them drop a bag of hits, and you know, them say consistency, a bag of thing, but it not really change nothing. So artists drop a song by next couple months, them not remember it. You understand? Alkaline drop a album, mash up the whole of dancehall. Everybody attack, the haters attack, everything. Remember, you know, a lot of album released last year. Them never talk about it like how them talk about Alkaline album. You see me? So it show you the difference. You see it? It's like the youth being silent and quiet. It's like, you come like say, yo, I'm more him name call. You see me? Or some rest. So imagine when him in the media, when them a do certain things, it go even worse. You see me? So right now the youth that's a do what him a do. You see me? While the other artists them a run down the hype and the controversy thing, that not survive too long. You see me? There's more to music. You cannot release 200 songs for the year, and when the year done, you come like nothing. If you don't get no hits out of it, it don't make no sense. You see me? Yeah, we are playing at some local place and something and now a local party and thing, but if you now go to that world magnitude there, it don't make no sense. You see me? So I just one of them thing there. At the end of the day, you know, our music what they for. You see, sometimes you can drop all song after song and it kill the momentum because at the last one where you drop at that every people are going to pay mind to. You see me? But I guess I'm soon realize what I go on.
And not every move viewers need explanation. And not every moment requires attention. And we know that mystery becomes a part of his brand. Viewers, for years, fans realized that Alkaline and one of them artists they were chase validation online. Instead, he appears calculated. Sometimes he disappears for periods and suddenly return with songs, performance, or an announcement that immediately dominates conversation viewers. And we see that over and over again. That unpredictability keeps fans interested because people are always wondering, what is he planning next? And we know viewers in entertainment, anticipation is powerful. So we know the Miami show for all viewers and fans anticipate that, you understand? So we just there wait, you understand? And we know next month, same way, I'm in Philly, yeah?
Yeah, man, people. So Miami this month, the 22nd. I don't know next month, June the 13th. I don't know. I feel that. So I'll get on the ticket as well. You see me? But I saw Alkaline move and it's been working for years. You know, a lot of people say Alkaline fall off. You see me? You know why? Because him not in the media like that. Him not try to run down the hype. So the one him run down the hype, yeah, them say another them one they fall off. But when you check it, Alkaline are do greater things than them. You understand? I saw it go. You see it? Sometimes I just some internet thing them run with. You see me on a reality thing, so I'm gonna see what I go on. Anytime you see Alkaline out there, I do something, I work him I put in. You not see him in the street and him just a waste time, no. And also them man they work. Every time you see him, either on stage or somewhere, I work him I go put in. You understand? Them man they know I gland them look a thing the way. You see it like that. So the man they go to work. You see it, but enough of them run down the hype and a bag of thing. They really carry him going away. You see it.
Yeah, viewers, so it look like it's gonna be an interesting summer, right? We see where Alkaline, him album in a rotation, same way, right? Him released the music video the other day for Girl Good. You understand? He's supposed to perform in Miami this month, also in a Philly next month, and we can expect more shows further down in the year.
Yeah, and remember say him have a tipsy. July the 19th. Yeah. And him have Antigua. And him have Dream Weekend. I don't know Botheration May 23rd. You know that go same speed as me. So I just one of them thing the people. Alkaline fully book. You see me? Fully book right now, so you don't know the youth are doing thing. People them want to see him same way. You see it? But you know anything go. You them say Guyana National Stadium. I go see what go on cause when you're not go normal, I tell you that.
So we can say, well, based on how things look, next year, new rules, which is the 10th anniversary of new rules, we can know say, yo, things are going to turn up. We can see the momentum, we can see the direction and where things are going. You understand? New rules, 10th anniversary, I don't think it's going to be normal. You understand? Because at 10 years since the artist actually out there with the new rules brand. You understand? So I know say that celebration they are going to be significant. You understand? And
yeah, man, next year not gonna normal, man. Yo, all who did there the new rules 2017. If you get a 10-year anniversary for that, yo, I tell you, not gonna normal. You see me? New rules, 10th anniversary. Trust me, people are gonna follow that. You see me? But I don't know where them are gonna keep it though. either outside of Jamaica or what. You see it, so we have to just see what go on. But it's a good look, 10-year anniversary for new rules. You don't know that go already. You see me? Yeah, the Veneto people them a go out. You see me? So we're there. I go see what go on. You see me?
It's going to be a real interesting sight to see. So we can expect that next year. But for this year, yeah man, it's a very interesting year and the artists are putting in the work and they go and do what they do. And the fans are excited and the fans are really supportive of the work where the artists are putting in. So that's good, viewers. Yep.
Yeah man, cause from album drop, yeah man, I just the album me and mates. You see me? The album, the NTP is a powerful album. You see it? Yeah man, it's a powerful album that man. You see me? It's an album where me play every day. Yeah man, tough. I tell you, it's a good combination. You see it, but you don't know things yet already. You see me? Them a say girl good. Well, I say you got the girl them good same way, so if I that, or that. You see it? So right now, Alkaline just a do what him do normally, Alkaline not try to run down the hype and the fame and all of them look thing there. The youth just a wait for him time, cause him a go reach there. Enough of them say him fall off and all of them look thing there. Well, una go see what go on. You see me? Remember a man say yo, fall off and him know the way to him to the top. When a man say that, brother, I something him a do for reach on top, So all I say about fall off in 2016, you know see, the youngest dancehall artist for sell out arena by himself right now. You see me? The youth are focused on something different, something bigger out there. You see it? So, and some joke thing. I tell you that. Viewers, so we have come to the ending of another video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You understand, viewers, what you all guys think? How Alkaline doing so far since the year start? You understand, are you guys excited for the shows that are coming up? You understand? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, viewers. Next year, New Rules 10th anniversary. You guys looking forward to see that? You understand, viewers? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, viewers. You understand? And if you enjoy this video, viewers, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to... Yeah, man. I saw it go. You see me? But Benetta fan them would happy if you see how the 10th anniversary for New Rules. Like, yo, them are gonna roll out. I tell you that big roll out that. You see me? Big roll out. You see me? Cause Benetta fan them New Rules are for them place that, You see me? So it's a good look for the artist. The artist are doing thing. If you saw Alkaline roll, him not run down the hype or run down this. Him just put out him work and cut. Show if you do him just follow him show and cut. I saw you think said. You see me? Nothing else not there. You see it? You just do what him do and cut. You see me? Yeah, maybe it's the next long after years again before you see Alkaline on the ground. I put in the work like where there. Yeah, tell her that. You see me? So the youth know what him do. As him say, him know way to the top, so we're gonna see what go on. You see me? Cause people are fighting for clout and every little thing. Them not pre higher heights right now. Some different thing them depend. You see it? Different levels they want to stay upon. You see it? So we have to just see what go on. You see me? Just that. I have to just see what go on. So I just one of them thing the people. You don't know, I want me the facts money up. Yeah man, big up on yourself, respect for the support. You see it? Yeah man. That is it.